Hey, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we're making carrot muffins, gluten-free, organic, with organic cream cheese frosting and sprinkles. Gotta have the sprinkles. Yummy! Okay, as I was saying, we are making sourdough, gluten-free, carrot muffins with cream cheese icing today. Now what I want to show you is, I got the batter in here. The batter is eggs, gluten-free flour, sourdough starter. See, I have it here. I used most of it actually. Maybe a whole cup in here. It's usually about 1/3 when you use a sourdough starter. Baking soda, sugar, coconut sugar, by the way. Obviously grated carrot, some salt. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you this trick. What I did was I coated this 1/3 cup, which is about what it's going to take each of these, because we're going to fill them up 3/4. And then I'm going to show you how we do that right now. So I let it drip a little bit just to get it off, knock it off a little bit. And I pour it in the pan. I try to pour it in the center. Okay, so that's about 3/4. So it's about a little less than a 1/3 cup, see? Okay, so now what I'm going to do also, and after I fill these, it's very important. I'm going to let them rest for 20 minutes. Makes the muffins much more moist. Let's the flour and the wet ingredients combine, okay? Hey, muffins are out of the oven. Don't they look yummy? Really nice cream cheese frosting. It's with organic white sugar, powdered sugar, little vanilla, tiny bit of butter, and cream cheese. All right, so now just gonna put a nice layer here. I'm just gonna go around in a circle, nothing fancy, okay? But it looks kind of nice, There you go. Look at that. Yummy. This is how I store them. Just want to show you this parchment paper on the bottom. And then what I do is I don't put the icing on that high so it doesn't hit the top of the container, okay? These will keep about a week. Now, I also took part of them and I'm going to freeze them, obviously not frost them. These will keep up to 3 months in the freezer, okay? Okay, I'm Chef Michael. It's been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. As you can see, I added a little sprinkles. They're made with organic cane sugar and vegetable juices for color, but they are yummy. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well.